Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, April 13th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. On Friday, I called the Dow down for today, and it certainly did end up closing down about 80 points today. That wasn't a real big sell-off, but it definitely is showing this kind of exhaustion phase that I think it's in. It just cannot really hold these levels over 18,000, and it's going to have to come down some to make another run at those. We did not have a terrible day, however. What happened was, as you can see here, we had a punch up at the beginning. It pretty much held for a little over an hour this morning, and that was very nice for our exits. And we ended up, I think we were up like $100 or something on the close on Friday, and we ended up closing out close to $4,000 in positive open trade equity. Our positions were improved quite a bit with this punch up, and of course we're getting out right there. So, for once, that sweet spot that I've been talking about was in the right place for us. We got out very nicely on what we had coming into today. That was the good news. The bad news is on this rally here at the beginning of the day, we ended up getting into some positions. I think we got into 8 positions total, and by the end of the day, after the sell-off, only 3 of those positions were positive and 5 were negative. So that hurt us a little, but it really didn't hurt us too bad. We're only negative $2,200 in our open trade. So, if we close out close to 4,000 and carrying negative 22 in open trade, I guess that's a winning day, although not a great winning day, obviously. I'll show you some of this. Before I show you our positions, I want to tell you that over the weekend I did a lot of research on our portfolio, and I have thrown 13 stocks out of our portfolio and added 13 new ones, and I should be getting those lists out to my customers this evening. So we're going to start trading 13 new stocks, and I really think that these will be very good for our portfolio, and we should see some good action on them. Anyway, I'll show you what some of the things that happened today. Let me show you first the worst. This is Advexis, and we had bought this today. This was pretty much corresponding to this rally in the Dow, and we ended up getting into this pretty much at the top, and then it started to slide as the Dow went down. Well, it did come back a little toward the end, but we're still holding about negative $2,000 in Advexis, and that's why we're holding this. That's where all the loss comes with the open positions that we're holding, was basically in this one stock. But we don't know what's going to happen. Heck, that thing could get out halfway decent tomorrow. We'll just have to see. This was about the best trade we have and what we closed out. This is in Sibanye Gold, and we had bought this on Friday early on in the day. It had a good rally all day, and we got out of this a pretty good, decent place here, and we managed to take a little over $1,000 out of Sibanye Gold. And then the best trade we had today, as far as, well, that's not the right place. Let me see here. This was in Wilden Group, WLDN, and we had bought this today's second hour, and nice run up here. Came back a little and then kind of stabilized very nicely. This closes near its high, and we have about $1,100 in open trade positive in Wilden Group, so that looks really good. So anyway, not a terrible day. You know, just another day of trading, but we actually did make a little bit of money today, so I'm happy about that. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait a minute. Did I tell you I'm calling the Dow down tomorrow? Okay, I'll leave you with that. This is Trader Bob signing off. We'll see if it's down tomorrow. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.